wow kids. So kids, see what did I have for you? Yes, it's a teddy bear face. Yes. So kids, would you like to learn how to make this teddy bear face? Yes. So let's start. So kids, for making this teddy bear craft, we will need one yellow color paper, one white color paper and 3 brown color paper. And also we will need a marker, a pencil and glue. So kids, now we will take this 2 brown color paper and do a fan folding. Yes kids, first like this and then in this manner. Yes, so we will fold it and make a fan. Our 2 fan foldings are ready. Kids, now we will fold this fan from center like this. Yes kids, we'll do the same thing with the other one in this manner. We will fold it from center. Yes, and now we will do stapler to secure this fan. So kids, after doing stapler, it will be something like this. Yes, we will apply glue on this part and stick like this. So let's apply glue. So we will apply little glue over here and stick this to part. Similarly, we will do with this also. So kids, our 2 fans are ready. And now we will stick these 2 fans together. We will apply glue over this part and stick it like this. And again we will apply glue on this 2 part and we will stick it other parts. So let's do. First we will apply little glue and we will stick in this manner. Yes kids, now we will apply glue over here like this and we will stick this 2 parts. So kids, see, part of teddy bear's face is ready. Now we will make teddy bear's eyes. For this we will need a white color paper and we will draw 2 eyes of teddy bear like this. Yes kids, and our eyes is ready. Now we will make the mouth of teddy bear. So it will be a circle. Yes kids, and we will make inside it a nose of teddy bear and his mouth like this. So kids, our eyes and mouth is ready. Now we will cut these parts. Kids, what else teddy bear has? Yes, 2 little ears. So for this we will take a brown color paper and a yellow color paper. So first of all we will draw big ears of teddy bear. Another ear like this. Yes kids, now we will draw 2 small ears like this. One more like this. Now we will cut these 2 ears. So kids, see, teddy bear's ears, eyes and mouth are ready. So now we will stick these parts on teddy bear's face. So kids, first we will take one ear and will apply glue like this. Yes, now we will stick it in this manner. Yes, now we will take another ear and apply little glue and we will stick it like this. So kids, now we will apply glue on eye like this, and we will stick on teddy bear's face like this. We will apply glue on the other eye and we will stick it on teddy bear's face. And then what comes? Yes, teddy bear's mouth. So we will apply glue on it and we will stick it like this. So kids, our teddy bear craft is ready.